Welcome back to Car Tech Auto. The 2026 Dacia Motorhome is marketed as a reasonably priced recreational vehicle or V choice, perfect for travelers seeking a useful campervan without going over budget. It has a clever interior design, is easy to use, and uses less fuel. Important attributes: external design, streamlined. Aerodynamic style for increased fuel economy, small size, simple parking, and streetwise maneuverability. Cozy interior, comfortable sleeping space with soft lighting. The kitchen is fully furnished with a convection microwave, smart refrigerator, stainless steel sink, and induction hob. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are compatible with this touchscreen infotainment system. A clever and useful storage area. Efficiency and performance, diesel and hybrid engine options are available. Road handling that is both pleasant and stable. Suspension that has been adjusted to strike a balance between durability and comfort. Safety features include rear camera, lane keeping assistance, traction control, and ABS. Blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and, on certain models, automated emergency braking or extra safety features. Off-grid capability, users can camp in isolated areas thanks to the optional solar panels that can provide electricity. Longer travels without the need for regular refills are made possible by the large water tank and effective waste disposal system. Cutting-edge technology, intelligent lighting that can be adjusted to your preferences or mood. Detailed journey and vehicle information on a digital display. USB ports for electrical device charging and Wi-Fi connectivity. Extra features: side awnings that may be expanded to add more outdoor living space. Roof rack or bike rack to store extra equipment. Effective air cooling and heating for comfort in any weather. Users can adapt the interior to suit their needs because it is convertible. For instance, the sleeping space can be converted into a workspace or dining room.